Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic 3D Max 2027 how to add edge loop. So for example, you can draw box object and set for the visual styles to hidden line. Now you can right click on object and then go to convert to editable poly. In here you can choose the edge selection. Now if you want to add for the edge loop, you can select the edge and in there I will click on the rings. After it, click the connect to create the edge loop. Now you can use the move tools to move the edge. If you want to create again, you can select the edge and the next go to ring. Use the connect to create the edge loop. Also same at this point. Can ring and connect, can move the edge and select again, ring, connect, move the edge. Okay, that's it for basic 3D Max 2027 how to add edge loop.